OCM12 paper cup machine working principle and process. Raw materials: single or double PE/PLA coated paper fan. Step 1: sucking down paper. Paper suction unit, vacuum generator to suck down paper fan. Step 2: cup side sealing. Closing holding parts, robot hand to closing the cup body side. Ultrasonic heater, ultrasonic wave resonating and heating sealing. Step 3: cup tube feeding. Robot hand, push up the cup body to the mold. Step 4: cup bottom cutting. Bottom paper feeding, bottom roller makes the bottom paper move forward to cutter. Cut bottom paper and bottom paper folding. Step 5: cup bottom sealing. Cup bottom will be folded by heater 1 and preheated by air blowing heater 1 and 2. Step 6: cup bottom knurling. Bottom knurling heater, heating and knurling sealing the cup bottom. Finished knurling effect. Step 7: cup top curing. Top curling unit, rotate curling mold to finish the cup top curling rim. Step 8: paper cup collection.